Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. This time I wanted to show how I got my Tomei looking basically as good as it did when it was brand new. What I used was a clay bar kit from Meguiar's. You can get it from Walmart for like 20 bucks. Basically you just spray the lubricant on there and then knead the clay and either go up and down or side to side. Don't go diagonally. And then I also wanted to point out that the before pictures, I cleaned this on like Saturday or something like that, and now it is Monday. I got the before pictures obviously on Saturday, and then last night I went out racing, probably did at least 100 or 120 miles on the car, and I didn't remember to take the after pictures, so just now I took them. So it is a bit dirty. It's not nearly as shiny as it was when I first cleaned it off, but it's still not bad. I didn't use soap just now. I literally just wiped it off with a rag. And another thing is, if you drop the clay bar, I would recommend you don't use it again because you'll pick up so much stuff on the ground. But if you are gonna use it again, don't use it on your paint. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you.